Hey guys, let's see how to fix this issue, because if you see here, I am not getting cellular option. A cellular option missing my iPhone settings. So how to fix this issue? So guys, if you are also not getting cellular option in your iPhone, then how to get the cellular option? So guys, it's very simple. Why we are not getting the cellular option in place of mobile service? Because we are getting mobile service, but some another iPhone they are getting in place of mobile service, they are getting cellular getting. So I also want cellular option in place of mobile service. Then how to achieve this one? So guys, it's very simple. Just go to setting once again and just try to find general. You can just see over here, just tap on it. And now guys, just try to find language and region. Yeah, you can see over here, just tap on it. And now guys, yeah, you can see over here the preferred language is it's selected by default by English. So guys, you have to change the preferred language. So how you can change that? Just tap on add language. And now guys, just try to find English US. English US. English. Just try to find English US. You can see over here English US. Just yeah. Would you like to use English US as your primary language? Yes. Just click on that. After that, now you go and check in place of mobile service. Now you are getting the cellular option. So guys, this way you will get the cellular option. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.